Welcome to Wayne's RC. We're going to be taking up the Spirit Glider. Made modifications on this. I put an EDF on the back. You can see where it was right here. And it flew, the CG was messed up. So I took that off. Put a motor on the front. I don't know what the specs are on the motor. 1400 kV. Okay, there you go. And a few years ago I broke the horizontal stabilizer. Didn't have anything balsa to replace it or make one, so I put an old Apprentice horizontal stabilizer on it. E-Flight Apprentice. Anyway, we're going to see how this new motor works. A little bit breezy, but going to give her a shot, see what happens. These rubber bands aren't exactly holding the thing on tight, but it'll have to do. There she is. Yeah, works pretty good. I didn't set the brake on the prop on the motor yet, so hopefully that prop doesn't break. That is very little power. Get it up a little higher and cut the power, see what happens. Well, she kind of noses down a little bit. Add a little bit of power. Seems like I was gonna drop a wing, but I do have a little weight on the front to get the CG correct, but still pretty light. A little bit too windy for it.
Time remaining 5 minutes 11 seconds. Time remaining 5 minutes 10 seconds.
I got it set for the EDF I had on it. It was a 64mm EDF, so I'm sure it'll get a lot better flight time with this little motor on it. Wow, wind's picking up. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty windy for this little thing. I'm gonna bring her in. Hopefully I can land it. The wind don't want to keep it in the air, but get it into the wind here. Okay, she's down. That's the Spirit Glider. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.